Okay, so in this video we will be unboxing the Logitech Yeti GX tabletop microphone for the computer. So this has a dynamic light on the bottom, a blue voice feature which allows you to change voice, I guess, and guess it doesn't have much more. Table stand, the microphone mute button, you can change the voice here from this roll. So let's open up this one. So I got this one for 70 euros, it was discounted. And it's for some odd reason sometimes as new for 135 euros. So I guess this is the instructions, the quick instructions how to put it. It still comes with a small paper manual, important safety, warranty information. So here's a small screw. I think it's a USB-C and, if I'm correct, USB-A, which connects to the computer. It has this recyclable boxing style. This is, I guess, paper. The microphone feels very nice. This is the soft part. There's the roll. It has like a button, and here's some other button. There's the info of the manufacturing codes. Rating for 5 volts, 500 mAh. It's made in China though. So here's the table part. So I guess you scroll this here. This is also possible to mount in some holding parts also, but for the table I can put it here. I guess this one is for the holding part. And it looks quite nice. But I guess we need to have a computer to see how it looks when it's turned on. So that's how, with the USB-C. I will connect it to the laptop. Okay, so this one is installing an update now. It's blinking. And let's see how it works. So in the laptop it shows these different features. So the white in the central shows that it's on, and the green would mean that it's recording audio. So let's see if I can find the app that records. So now it shows that it's recording, so it turns green. And the red would mean something that the voice is too high and can cause some disturbances. And the blue light would mean that it's AI something. So let's see how the colors show here. This is reading, different colors, waves, pulsar. So that's pretty much this unboxing. So here we are now trying out the microphone itself. As you see, we can take the cover off, and this is how it sounds like when you don't have the cover on. And there is also a possibility to change the volume here or mute the. So it's easy to use, and I have it here, so it doesn't even show up in the camera. So in short, this is now the ending part of this unboxing of this microphone. And if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow more. And thank you for watching.